Welcome to our tutorial on functional parent-to-class-child communication in React. Let's begin by looking at our class-based child component. We start by importing React and the component class from the React package. We define our child component by extending the base React component class. The render method is crucial for class-based components as it defines what will be returned by the component when it's used. Inside the render method, we destructure the message from parent property from this props. Props are how we pass variables and functions from a parent component down to a child component. We then return the JSX for our component. It includes a heading to indicate this is the child component, followed by a paragraph that displays the message from parent passed down from its parent. Now let's switch to the functional parent component. We need to import React and our child component that we just created. Here we define our parent component as a functional component. We declare a constant message which we plan to send to the child component. In the return statement, we have a div that serves as a container for our parent component. It contains an h1 tag to identify it on the screen. Below the heading, we include the child component and pass the message as a prop called message from parent. This establishes the direct communication line between the parent and the child. Finally, we export the parent component as the default export of this module, making it possible to use this component in other parts of our application.